Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial we'll look at how to fix the issue on YouTube where your YouTube app is not working because of course for whatever reason. So let's show you an example. So if you launch YouTube, of course this is my Samsung TV. This is the remote. This is the latest TV with Tizen. And as you can see, it goes, for example, to a block or blank screen, or it crashes, or it simply doesn't work. We'll give it a minute, and there you go, it simply crashes. And of course, you may get other errors, or maybe it won't show any errors at all. Alright guys, so we're going to run through all of the possible solutions for this. This is Tizen, as we said. The principle should work across all TVs. So the first thing you want to do if you're having issues is we're going to check to make sure that you have actually have internet. So go ahead guys and do a quick test. So you're going to use your phone, and once you use your phone, make sure that your phone is connected to the same network that the TV is connected to, most likely your Wi-Fi network. And what you're going to actually do is try to browse the Wi-Fi network with your phone to make sure that you're actually having an internet connection. Sometimes what happens is that the internet is out, and as a result, you'll have crashes or the YouTube app will not work. So go ahead and check to see if you're browsing. If you are able to browse on your phone, but you're unable to browse on the TV, or of course, if you're not able to browse on the phone at all, go ahead and restart your router. So go ahead and plug out the router completely. Alright, so if you restart the router, go ahead too and restart the TV. So just to give it a refresh, go ahead and restart. Alright, so once the TV is back up, go ahead again and you're going to try to relaunch YouTube. The next thing you're going to try, guys, is to go to settings. Alright, so you're going to go into your settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to go down to general and privacy. Once you're in general and privacy, go to system. And once you're in system, guys, you're going to go over to time. Alright, so this is the peak part. You're going to go into clock. Once you're in clock, make sure this is set to automatic and make sure that the time and the date is correct. So make sure that you have the correct time and date on automatic. If for whatever reason the time and date is incorrect, make sure that you go ahead and change the clock from automatic to manual and then adjust the time to make sure it's right. As for me, I'll keep mine on automatic. It works just fine. And of course, if there's any offsets or so on, you can set them, not necessary though. For automatic, make sure that the time zone is correct. The time zone will help with the time if it's not automatically detected. Alright, so either manually set the time or automatically set it, and it should work in terms of everything. You're going to go back, and what you're going to do from here is you're going to go ahead and launch YouTube again. Alright, so in the most severe cases where there is internet, for example, you're able to go on Netflix or other apps such as using the internet browser, which is right here, and you're able to browse, but it's directly YouTube's fault, meaning I can browse otherwise except for YouTube. You're gonna go next, you're gonna go up, you're gonna go to apps, and of course you're gonna go all the way down. Alright, you're gonna go to this option here that says app settings. Then you're gonna go over here to YouTube, and under YouTube you're gonna go here and you're gonna see several options. All right, first you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna reinstall the app. Sometimes there are errors, so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and reinstall the application and give it a refresh. You're gonna restart the TV, then you're gonna relaunch YouTube from the main page. If that fails, guys, next you're gonna try this. You're gonna go again, something similar, except we're gonna do it a little bit different this time. You're gonna go back into apps, and what you want to do is again, you're gonna come all the way down. You're gonna choose the option here, so select. You're gonna go over here, and of course you're gonna hit delete. So you're going to delete, you're going to confirm, and once that is finished, I'm not going to do it on mine, I'm simply showing you. You're going to go back here again and you're going to search for YouTube. So you're going to search for the YouTube app. It's usually here, editor's choice. So go ahead and you're going to launch. And of course you can see the YouTube app here. It basically explains what it is. Then of course this is not going to say open, it's going to say install. Go ahead and install. Once you install, reboot the TV, and of course go ahead again and you're going to launch YouTube. If that fails, it might still be a network issue. So what I suggest is that you use your phone as a hotspot. You're going to use your mobile data, not the same Wi-Fi as your home, as your other devices. So you can actually, if you have mobile data, you're going to tether the TV to your phone and you're going to share your mobile hotspot internet. I have a separate tutorial on those or on that, how to use your devices as a hotspot. And once you do that, you're going to connect to the new hotspot. It's very easy. Once you connect to the new hotspot, go ahead guys, and you're gonna try to launch YouTube again from that fresh internet connection using your hotspot. So sometimes it could be your network that's giving the issue, and it's very easy to actually connect to a new hotspot. I'll quickly show you how to connect to a new internet connection. So you can go to settings, you can go to connections, go to network, you're gonna go to open network settings, yeah, then you're gonna click on wireless. Once you click on wireless, the available network is gonna come up. You're gonna enter the password if you have not already, then you're gonna connect to that, or and then of course you should be able to browse. It's easy to set up a hotspot on your phone. And of course, since your mobile network carrier is separate from your home carrier, most likely, you can launch YouTube fresh. This is highly unlikely, but it's also a good idea to update your TV. So you can go into settings, system, and go to system updates to check for the latest update for your TV, just in case it's a bug. And of course, you can update your TV as well. All right, so that basically sums it up. Most of the time when YouTube is not working, it's usually a error from your ISP side, meaning your internet issues. Or if it's not the internet's fault, it's usually from the TV, usually a bug or something that can be easily solved with one of the tips that we gave. Hope that was useful. See you in the next one. Bye.